Hi, I'm Chuck Hummer. I'm an American and I'm a Florida resident. I'm one of Senator Marco Rubio's constituents. My purpose for making this video today is to let all the people of the United States know the real Marco Rubio. Let me go through a couple of quick facts right away. If you look up here, you'll notice that Senator Rubio is just like Obama. They're both first-term senators. Rubio is also like Obama because he's a smooth-talking snake oil salesman. And then you also see that Rubio is just like Obama because they had questionable finance problems. And then you'll also notice that Rubio is just like Obama because he has lied to the American people. And these are a few facts. We're in the Gonzo Film Production Studios, otherwise known as my garage. Today's December 20th, and it's a little cold out here in Florida, but my problem is I have no heat because I'm a 100% disabled vet and I'm living on my back porch, but I really can't complain that much because there was one time when I had to live in a tent in my backyard, 11 by 17 tent, because I'm one in thousands. Let me repeat that again. I'm one in thousands, and that's just in Florida, of people who begged Senator Rubio for help. We begged him and asked him to help us because we bought new, contaminated, toxic drywall homes that had both Chinese and American drywall that was toxic. And those of us who bought these homes, we lost everything, as well as we got very sick. I'm still sick. And most of the other victims that I know are also sick. And Rubio don't give a crap about you. He doesn't give a crap about me. All he cares about himself. And we asked for help, and I specifically called and I wrote, and if you want to fact check this, you can go on my website, www.contaminatedamericanDrywall.com. Go up in the red on the top at the letters section. You can fact check and see some of the letters. One of them was from Senator Rubio. All he did was pass the buck. He didn't even want to help us citizens. And this brings up to the point that I wanted to get across to all the people in America. If he wouldn't help take care of the Florida residents, the people that put him in office, how in the hell is he going to run this country of ours? Better yet, how can we trust him? This is just another reason people like me are sick of politicians, and we're looking at alternatives. And just something else, as a side note, personally speaking to Senator Rubio, I'm a 100% disabled Vietnam vet. And I wrote this up because I wanted to read it really quick. I wanted to make sure I didn't miss anything. But Senator Marco Rubio, I fought for our rights and freedoms for immigrants of all nations to pass through the mythical Ellis Island doors as long as they come here legally, and the optimum word is legally. Senator Rubio, I oppose amnesty or any pathway, as it would be a slap in the face to those who came to this country through the proper legal channels. And as a second side note, I would just like to say, well, you might say, you voiced your opinion, which is your right to do so as an American, but I can kind of double down on this because I married a woman from Europe, and we went for 2 years or more through the process of filing all the papers and doing it legally and paying the thousands of dollars that it cost us for every stage of the process. And what makes me sick is Senator Hillary Clinton, when she was the Secretary of State, we filed for a visa for my mother-in-law to come visit us at Christmas time. And Hillary Clinton's State Department denied her mom's visa because she's an only child. And here, me being a disabled vet fighting for these rights and freedoms that we have, and Hillary Clinton's State Department denied a visa to my mother-in-law because my wife is an only child. When there's 20 million or so illegal aliens here in this country, and they get food stamps, driver's license, and whatever. So just as a side note, I just wanted to throw that in. What I'd like you to do is go to my website. I have other YouTube videos, but I'd like you to go to my website and check out and make sure that your home does not contain contaminated Chinese or American drywall. So go to www.contaminateddrywall.com. Thank you.